Hey, let's be real. Building the thing, that's the fun part. Explaining it, that's where things tend to slow down a lot. If you ever tried turning scattered notes into a clean walkthrough or a demo, you know how quickly all this eats up your time. So, finding the right visuals, formatting slides, then figure out how to record it all, it's just a lot when you're already way deep into your dev development. So, there is an update from Google Slides. A lot of us do use Google Slides. So at the time of this recording, a few weeks ago, Google started slowly rolling out to a few individuals who are lucky enough to get AI capabilities inside of Google Slides using Google's imaging interface, Imagen 3. And it's pretty good. So you now have the capability to use AI-generated images inside of slides, and you don't have to leave the application to make your presentation shine with these images. Is it perfect? No, it is not perfect because it's still Google and you're still paying close to nothing. It's definitely not replacing your editor or your studio setup, but that's not the point. The point is that tools like this help you, help your team to stop saying, I'll explain it later, or you know what, let's go around this part, and so forth. You can just show what you're thinking clearly, and you can do it quickly. So if you are building something that's real, you don't need perfect. You need fast, you need clear, and most importantly, you need shareable. All right, and don't forget, we're still offering for free the custom video content playbook. This custom book right here is going to a company called IT Market. They're based in Austria. They got it for free. It's 32 pages of great information to help you explain your strategy, your innovation to your team, to the world, so they can be a part of your innovation as well. And as always, I got 2 videos for you. Click this one so you can hear about AI tools that are going to help you increase your productivity at work. And this one down here, the YouTube algorithm has selected just for you. We'll see you on the next video.